Hi, hello everybody. I just wanted to show you the granny squares with the clusters that I've made, and I made it into a little square baby blanket, and then I sewed all pieces together with the back loop only, and then I added an edge, and now I'm going to show you how to make this little popcorn border. Okay, so as you can see, I've already done several, and I want to show you how to do it. So what I've done here is I've made 3 single crochets, and then I make my bobble. So we're here at 3. Now it's time to make the bobble. So we're going to make 1 single crochet, we're going to chain 2, and then we're going to yarn over, insert the hook in the second chain, pull up a loop, and do the same thing, pull up a loop, same thing. This one's usually the hardest one. Insert, pull up a loop, and you want to make it nice and loose so that it's easier to pull through all the loops on the hook. And then we're just going to attach it to our first single crochet with a slip stitch. Okay, I'll do it again. So 1, 2, and 3, and now we're coming to the bobble. We're going to do a single crochet, chain 2, yarn over, insert hook, second chain from the hook, yarn over again, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert the hook. This is the last one, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through all the loops, and then we're going to slip stitch it to the single crochet, pull it through, and now we're going to make 3 single crochets, and you see it just falls nicely into place to make that little border. I'll make one more just so you can be sure. So here is our bobble. Single crochet, chain 2, yarn over, insert hook, second chain from the hook, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over, insert, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert, and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all the loops, and now we're going to insert into our single crochet. I'm going to pull up that loop and pull it and make a slip stitch, and then we make our 3 singles, 1, 2, and 3, and there is our super cute bobble border. I hope you liked it. Let me know if you try it. Have a nice day.